She walked out, you vanished. 7 days later, she's hunting you down. This 7-day vanish ritual hit. Like if you're done chasing, lock in or stay invisible. Forever 48 hours with a warm-up, 72 hours with a test. 7 days. That's the ritual that resurrects kings. I dropped a 7-day vanish protocol, psychology, weaponized, mindset forged, in fire. If this resonates, subscribe now or watch her walk away again. Days 1 to 2, initiate the void, delete her number, block the urge, go dark. Harvard attachment study, 48 hours, no contact, 35% spike. Anxiety, she texts, she don't exist. That's the hook sinking in common. Day 1, initiate. If you're starting ill track, the survivors share this ritual with one man. His power make him vanish. 2 days, 3 to 5, forge your throne, no scrolling. Pity builds Jim Brooks' empire. Absence reframes value, her brain recalibrates. You're not hiding, you're evolving. Like if silence feels like fire, that's the forward. Days 6 to 7, resurrect. As a god posts one story, success no caption. She breaks delayed gratification, 67% obsession multiplier, she DMs you. Reply after 24 hours, life's good, short, untouchable. Subscribe if you want the resurrection template. It's your weapon. Day 1, delete silence day. The Bill 7 resurrect once your 7-day vanish today. Tag vanish ritual. Ill featured the resurrections. Elite men don't return the same, they return transformed. 1 vanish per month, 1 rebuild ritual weekly, 1 resurrection post daily. Days 7 compounds to 1,000 times power in a year. Math rebuilds thrones 30. 7 times your chase proof life. Swear by May 1, 2026. I master the 7-day vanish monthly. She chases, I lead, sign in comments, share your oath. He'll engrave the top 3 on my wall, commit or crumble. This ritual isn't revenge, it's rebirth. If you're ready to vanish and return unchased, smash like 15,000 likes on drop oath 4.0 below first 50. Get my personal resurrection. Voice note, share with one man who's being chased, free him. Subscribe or stay visible. 150,000 warriors by 2026. The vanish begins. Silent, one lifetime, powerful vanish rebuild rule. See you on the other side.